Okay. Good morning. Okay. We are going to do a lesson on some words that you're familiar with. Okay? It's a game that we're going to play. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to give you some information and you're going to listen. And I'm going to ask you to alter a single letter. Do you know what that means? Do you know what alter a single letter means? Okay. What I mean by that is for example, I'm going to give you dog and I'm going to give you a sentence. And I'm going to say, "Okay, take the vowel out." Do you know what a vowel is? Okay. I'm going to say replace the vowel with a letter, and I'm going to give you instructions on what letter I would like you to replace that with to make a word. Does that make sense? Okay. For example, okay, I'll just give you an example. I'm going to say begin with the word cat. So what I want you to do is on your piece of paper, not right now, I mean you can do it right now, but on your piece of paper, I want you to write the word cat. Okay? Then I'm going to ask you to change the vowel form. So I'm going to ask you to change the vowel of cat to form another word for bed. So if I asked you to change the vowel of cat, C-A-T, what's another word for a bed that you? No, change the vowel. Okay, cat. So change the vowel. Which one's the vowel? A. So we want to take the A out and replace it with something that means bed. What would it be? It's gonna it's gonna start with a C and end with a T. So you're gonna replace the vowel. How about cot? That's another word for bed. You replace the A with an O, which gave you the word cot. Yeah, like a cot. That is another word for bed. Okay, you think you can do this? Okay. I'm pretty sure that you're going to be able to do this. Okay, you ready? Okay, I want you to write this word. Begin with the word cat. Write the word cat. It doesn't matter, cursive or print is fine with me. Did you write the word cat? Okay, listen to my instructions. Change the vowel to form another word that means slice. So change the vowel in cat. Slice. Listen to my instructions. Use the word cat. Use that word cat and replace it with a vowel that means to slice. Cut. Write the word. Yes. Underneath the word cat. Okay, so from the word cut, listen to my instructions. Change one letter, one consonant letter, to form a word that means village. A consonant letter. Only one letter. Change the C to a what? That means village. So now you're left with the UT at the end. Hut. Write that word down. Yes, you are correct. Now, listen to my instructions. We're going from the word hut. Change the vowel to form a word that is something that a boy wears. Hat. Correct. Spell that. Okay. I hope it is getting easy for you. Okay. Finally, the very last one that we're going to do. We're going to change a consonant to form a word that is used for sleeping. We're going to change the consonant of the word hat. And it's used for sleeping. Only one consonant. Think, what is a consonant that you could change in the word hat? Which letter are you going to change? Which consonant are you going to change in the word hat? Yes, you're going to change the H. And what are you going to change the H to form a word that is used for sleeping? What is a word that is used? What's another word? Okay, when you go into the kindergarten room, what do you lay on? Mat. That is what you change the word to. And it might be that mat and cat have a lot in similar, and they're similar. Because a cat could lay on a mat, right? Okay.